How to connect your Android phone to TV for free. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily screen mirror your Android phone to your TV. So first thing what you want to do is just head over. So just scroll down your phone from the top and just click here, which is the option called Smart View. So as you can see, there's the option called Smart View. So if you are using Samsung, it's probably up there, and once you click on it, it will just scan for the device. If it's not scanning, just click on this three dot icon, and or you can just scroll down for it to scan, and you can also check out if the settings has been turned on or not. So once your TV name appears here, you just have to click on it and it will automatically connect you to that TV. You may just remember that make sure you both of your devices, that means your TV and your both Android phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So once you confirm that, it should appear. As for now in this video I'm not using any TV, so it's not appearing here. So in your case there should be appearing your TV name over here, and you just have to click on it to connect it. So if it's not available for you, or if it's not possible or not connecting, or it's displaying some kind of error to you, then what you need to do is simply head over to your Play Store and just search in for the following app, that is Spring Mirroring application. So you can download any one of them. So I prefer this. So just click on this download and just open it. So once you open it, you just have to click on this select TV and make sure your TV Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is connected, turned on, and it should appear over here. And you just have to click on your TV, and then you will be successfully connected to your TV, from where you can easily mirror your screen display of your mobile phone to your TV successfully. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.